everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 2 simple, work-friendly and healthy snack recipes that we can bring to work for all those momshies out there who are working overtime with interrupted meals, or for students who are working on their modules even late midnight. I strongly recommend this snack for you. Well, for others, this may just be a snack, but for me, I'm okay with it for my breakfast, lunch, even dinner. Well, anyway, I'm so excited to share this with you guys, so let's get started.
First, we have the healthy clubhouse recipe. For our ingredients, we have ham, lettuce, eggs, mayonnaise, and tuna. Of course, we have to fry the ham first. Slice the egg and add mayonnaise and add mayonnaise to the tuna and mix it well. Now our spread is ready, so we'll prepare the bread. We will now put the egg salad on the first layer and followed by the ham for our second layer. Add the tuna spread on top of the ham. And on top of it, put lettuce and kamatis or tomato. So guys, our vegan clubhouse is now ready. So it's up to you if you want to garnish it with fruits at the sides or chips. Recipe number 2 is a vegan pancit canton. First ingredient is broccoli and bagu beans. And we also have cabbage, garlic, onion, carrots, and squid balls. For the noodles, I'm using Japanese ramen, kikoman sauce, and sesame oil. And of course, pork. Now add the sesame oil in the pan, and then we'll put the garlic and the onion. Mix it well until we can smell the fragrant blend of garlic and onion. So guys, I'll share a secret why I'm using the fresh Japanese ramen noodles. I have learned from a reliable source that one of the famous food chains here in the city uses these noodles for their pancit canton. And indeed, it's so yummy. At this point, you can already smell the aroma of the mouth-watering pancit canton. It's really the pancit canton smell, I tell you. Maybe because of the kikoman sauce, you try it. It's really so yummy. And lastly, add the broccoli. But this is just an optional ingredient. So now our vegan pancit canton is ready.